Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Picked up this book. I've seen Dr. Phil all over the place advertising his book. And I'm going to be doing some takeouts from this book just to enlighten people as to the messaging that Dr. Phil is putting out with this book. Because I'm fucking fed up with this tyranny of the fringe, as he calls it. And we gotta start to remember that truth is truth and facts are facts. And I'm going to read something to you, and I'm going to take some excerpts out of this in the future, next few videos, just to kind of enlighten people, because people don't like to read his books as much anymore. I'll help you out here. I'll condense it down and give you the good points. But this is right from the opening cover. Do you think mainstream America needs to find its voice? If so, you're not alone. The country is under attack by extremists at the fringes who put ideology before sanity and stoke division for their own gain. They are robbing America of its common sense and denying empirical truths, and we're all suffering the consequences. I've fucking had it with this bullshit. And you know what? People can go ahead and cancel me or fucking call me out or whatever you want. Just like Dr. Phil said, we got to support each other. And I'm all about it. So bring it, baby. I mean, I'm in a good spot. I feel good about where things are with my life. And I want to help you understand why we got to stand together. Because I know that 90% of the people out there are feeling the same way. And that's why he wrote this amazing book. And I will be bringing you more and more outtakes from this book. And hopefully, if I can try and finagle Dr. Phil to come on the radio show, we'll do that. Until next time, get ready, because it's coming. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. And I mean that sincerely. I'm Papa Tom. More of this coming at you in the future. Stay tuned. Peace out. Love y'all.